Welcome to this complete New Orleans, Louisiana guide, a place where the music is as vibrant as its history. This city, nestled in the heart of the Mississippi River, boasts a rich past, teeming with tales of pirates, voodoo queens, and jazz legends. It's a place where traditions are as deeply rooted as the Spanish moss-draped trees that line its historic streets. New Orleans is a melting pot of cultures, a unique blend of French, African, and American influences that have shaped its cuisine, music, and architecture over centuries. It's a city that dances to the beat of its drum, from the lively parades of Mardi Gras to the haunting melodies of its jazz clubs. It's a place where every corner tells a story, every meal is a celebration, and every day is a festival. So if you're ready for an adventure like no other, buckle up. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 things to do in this lively city. No trip to New Orleans would be complete without a visit to the French Quarter. This vibrant district, brimming with history, is the oldest in the city. Established by the French in the early 18th century, it's a fascinating amalgamation of cultures with influences from Europe, Africa, and the Caribbean. Walking down its narrow streets, you're instantly greeted by a medley of sights, smells, and sounds. The architecture is a feast for the eyes. Creole townhouses with their iconic ironwork balconies, stately Spanish colonial buildings, and quaint cottages, all creating an enchanting backdrop for your exploration. As the sun dips below the horizon, the French Quarter truly comes alive. Jazz music spills out from every corner, and the scent of Creole and Cajun dishes wafts through the air. Nightlife here is a swirling mix of sophistication and good old-fashioned fun, with an array of bars, clubs, and restaurants to suit any taste. The French Quarter, with its unique blend of history and revelry, is the heart and soul of New Orleans. Next stop, the world-renowned Bourbon Street, a place where the rhythm of jazz meets the clinking of cocktail glasses and the aroma of Creole cuisine wafts through the air. This vibrant artery of New Orleans is a carousel of culture, offering an array of bars, clubs, and restaurants that are as diverse as the city itself. From the soulful tunes of live music venues to the allure of the old-world charm in its architecture, Bourbon Street is a sensory feast. It's a place where you can taste the city's famed cocktails, like the Hurricane or Sazerac, in the very place they were born. And come Mardi Gras, Bourbon Street transforms into an epicenter of festivities. Beads of every color rain down from balconies, and the street pulsates with jubilant crowds, marching bands, and flamboyant parade floats. Bourbon Street, where the party never stops. It's a street that truly encapsulates the spirit of New Orleans, lively, colorful, and unapologetically fun. Now let's head over to Jackson Square. This charming pocket of New Orleans is a vibrant testament to the city's storied past. Named in honor of the 7th U.S. President Andrew Jackson, this historic park is a place where every cobblestone whispers a tale from yesteryears. The square is a delightful symphony of sights and sounds, with its lush gardens that burst with vibrant flora, adding a touch of nature's elegance to the urban landscape. It's like a living, breathing canvas that changes with the seasons. Surrounding the square are iconic landmarks, each a chapter in the city's narrative. The stunning St. Louis Cathedral, the Cabildo, and the Presbytère stand guard, their architectural magnificence a subtle nod to the city's colonial roots. Street artists, musicians, and performers add a dash of contemporary culture, making the square a dynamic fusion of past and present. Jackson Square isn't just a place, it's an experience. Jackson Square, a place where history, art, and culture meet. Our next stop is the picturesque Garden District. This area is a charming blend of southern hospitality and old-world glamour, a delightful respite from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Garden District is well known for its beautifully manicured gardens, a riot of colors and fragrances that captivate every visitor. Moving on from the gardens, we find ourselves amidst the grandeur of historic mansions. These architectural beauties, dating back to the 19th century, are a testament to the district's opulent past. Each mansion tells a story, painted with the brush of time and history. Shopping enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The Garden District is also home to Magazine Street, a 6-mile-long shopping haven, offering everything from antiques to local art. It's a delightful place to stroll, shop, and soak in the local culture. As we conclude our visit, it's clear to see why the Garden District is often referred to as a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Next, we head over to the iconic St. Louis Cathedral, A masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, the St. Louis Cathedral has been standing tall since the late 18th century. It's the oldest continually active Roman Catholic cathedral in the United States, and a testament to the city's deep-rooted cultural ties with Catholicism. A step inside reveals a stunning blend of French and Spanish colonial aesthetics. Its three spires tower over Jackson Square, standing as silent sentinels of the city's past. The cathedral has witnessed many pivotal moments in New Orleans history. From the Louisiana Purchase to the devastation of Hurricane Katrina, St. Louis Cathedral is more than a religious site. It's an emblem of the city's resilience and a testament to its vibrant culture. Its bells have rung through centuries, echoing the city's triumphs and trials. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or spiritual seeker, the cathedral offers a serene and thought-provoking experience. St. Louis Cathedral, a beacon of faith and history. Now we visit the National Watantu Museum. This isn't just a museum, it's a journey back in time, a tribute to the sacrifices and triumphs of what has come to be known as the Greatest Generation. Here, you'll find an extensive collection of artifacts from the Second World War that paint a vivid picture of the global conflict that changed the world. The museum houses everything from personal letters and photographs to military vehicles and weapons, each artifact a silent testament to the lives affected by the war. But it's not just about looking at exhibits, it's about experiencing history. The museum offers interactive exhibits that let you step into the shoes of those who lived through the war, learn about the strategies, the battles, the triumphs, and the losses through immersive experiences that stimulate all your senses. The museum also offers educational programs, encouraging visitors to delve deeper into the complexities of the war and its aftermath. The National WWII Museum, a tribute to the heroes of the Greatest Generation. Next, we make our way to Frenchmen Street. This vibrant artery of New Orleans, pulsating with energy, is a haven for those in search of an authentic local scene. Here, the rhythm of the city comes alive, echoing through its numerous live music venues. From the smooth jazz wafting out of the Spotted Cat Music Club to the soulful blues reverberating from the Blue Nile, every corner of Frenchmen Street offers a new melody to lose yourself in. As the sun dips below the horizon, the street becomes a nocturnal playground. The local art market opens its doors, transforming the area into a bohemian paradise. Here you'll find a diverse array of art, from vibrant paintings to whimsical sculptures, all crafted by local artists. Browsing through this market is akin to walking through a living, breathing canvas of the city's artistic soul. Frenchmen Street, where New Orleans' music scene comes alive. Now, we dive into the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas, a haven nestled in the heart of New Orleans. This underwater world is an enchanting spectacle of diverse marine life. From the vibrant Caribbean reef to the mysterious Amazon rainforest, the aquarium is a kaleidoscope of colors, species, and ecosystems. It's not just about looking, though. The aquarium is teeming with interactive exhibits that allow you to get up close and personal with the inhabitants of the deep. Ever touched a stingray? Here's your chance. But the aquarium's mission goes beyond providing a fascinating day out. It's a stalwart in the fight for conservation, working tirelessly to protect and preserve our planet's waterways and their inhabitants. Whether you're a marine biologist at heart or simply looking for a unique experience, the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas is more than just an aquarium. It's a journey, a learning experience, and an opportunity to contribute to a noble cause. Audubon Aquarium of the Americas, a journey under the sea. We conclude our tour with a visit to the Preservation Hall and a ride on the steamboat Natchez cruise. Established in the early 60s, Preservation Hall is more than just a music venue. It's a living, breathing testament to the rich jazz heritage of New Orleans, reminding us that sometimes the best way forward is to look back. Here, the echoes of Louis Armstrong's trumpet still linger, and the rhythm of a bygone era pulsates with life. Now, imagine swapping the cobblestone streets for the mighty Mississippi aboard the steamboat Natchez cruise. It's not just a boat ride, it's a journey back in time. As the steam whistle blows and the paddle wheel churns, you can almost hear the whispers of Mark Twain's tales on the breeze. Preservation Hall and steamboat Natchez cruise, where the past meets the present in the most delightful way. And that concludes our guide to the top 10 things to do in New Orleans. We've sauntered down the historic French Quarter, experienced the vibrant nightlife of Bourbon Street, and soaked in the artistic culture of Jackson Square. We've admired the stunning architecture of the Garden District and the St. Louis Cathedral and stepped back in time at the National WWII Museum. We've grooved to the music on Frenchmen Street, marveled at the marine life at the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas, and soaked in the jazz vibes at the Preservation Hall. And what better way to end our journey than with a memorable steamboat Natchez cruise? Each location we've visited holds a piece of the soul of New Orleans, a city brimming with culture, history, and life. So why wait? Pack your bags and come experience the magic of the Big Easy for yourself. New Orleans, a city that is as unforgettable as it is unique. Until next time, keep exploring.